If you ain't eating these, then I don't know what are you doing with your life. What's up, what's up? This your boy S.I. Rico. Y'all want to mount the wheels? Let's mount the wheels, baby. Today, we will be taking these ugly mother suckers up off the hatch because they looking like complete straight ass. But y'all know this is how the rotor grids is looking. Stay happy, baby. Stay happy. That stretch. Now, a little backstory. Well, not even a little backstory. Just something I didn't know. I know you have to go 205 on a by 7 wheel to get that square stance. Like those over there. I never ran by 8s ever. So I really didn't know if you guys hear some wind, it's windy, I'm sorry. But I never had some by 8s. I didn't know what size tire to run to get that square stance. So your boy really low-key just took a guess. I really wasn't seeing the results online, like when I was searching. But I know people, maybe in the video, maybe in the comments, like, what you mean? Just Google. Hey, your boy wasn't finding what he was looking for, okay? Even on Fitment YouTube channel. So I wanted that square stance. So I was like, maybe, wow, I have like a sour power rip, like stuck like right here. It will not go down. Oh my gosh. 215 on a by 8. So I literally just took a guess. So it came out looking like this. Little bit of stretch, but not too much. And me, your boy Rico, is all against stretch. I hate stretch wheels. I hate stretch tires altogether. I just don't like it, but I'm low-key liking this setup right here a lot. And maybe when these go bad, I will go for some 225s instead of some 215s to get that square stance that I want. But overall, I love them. So let's mount these bad boys up and see how they look, dude.
Nursery.
looking pretty nice. Roll the car all the way. Take the jack completely out. And right now we are having a little bit of poke from right there. So we don't have too much to pull. Once I lower the car, it's going to be so perfect. It's going to be nice. We don't have too much poke. Once we lower the car and pull the fenders a little bit, oh my God, it's going to look so good. It's going to look so good. I can't wait. So far, I'm loving the look, how they look against the cream. So let's do the back and see how that look. Try to drop the suspension some more, because we already sitting like a monster truck. Okay guys, so now that the car is back on the ground, you can easily see the size difference from those puny little things to the 215s, and they look so good. But look at the poke though that we have. We have like an inch. I'll say maybe like 2 inches of poke. So we will be pulling the fenders, like lowering it of course, and pulling the fenders like 2 inches and rolling it. But yeah, they look amazing. Oh my gosh. And yes, trust me, I just took the center cap out because I didn't like the other ones. But we will be changing these lug nuts for some Gorilla Racing, like those over there, right there, for some black ones though. And they look really, really good. I'm loving the way they look against the cream or beige or whatever you want to call this color. But yes, they look amazing. So let's do the other side and we can get an overall look of how the car look. good morning, good morning. It's the 4th of July. It's the next day. So I guess I'll give y'all a good overall view of how she looks. Oh, she looks good. Oh man, she looks great. So next we just have to lower her and roll the fenders, you know, aka pull the fenders / roll them. But yeah, she's real nice. I'm loving it a lot. Let's get that booty shot though. Woo! Look at the stands, baby. Jeez, nice. When I roll the fenders and pull them, oh, this car is gonna look so much whiter. So nice. I got some rear lower control arms coming, more content. And I will be buying the coilovers probably later on tonight. But yeah, she looks amazing. God, even in the monster truck look, I'm just liking it so much. And it's funny because I have never seen just some matte black rotor grid V's on a cream hatch. I haven't seen that yet at all, so it looks good. It looks amazing. My boy Mike, this dope ass truck, that thing is so nice. But yeah, this looks real good. So rear lower control arms and lowering it will be coming real soon. So this your boy SR Rico. Rate, comment, sub, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.